Hey guys, welcome to this week's stock market recap. I'm Robert Montez with Nexus Wealth Management. Today we're going to be diving into what helped the market, what hurt the market, how it affects your everyday life for the week of November 3rd through the 7th, 2025. So guys, this week was a bit soft overall with some normal regrouping after recent highs. We saw the S&P down about 1.6%, the Dow down 1.2%, and the NASDAQ down about percent. As far as positive factors last week, there were three things that really stood out. First, the US-China trade truce brought some welcome stability as it eased some of the fears about tariffs and skyrocketing prices, which means that things should remain more affordable for families and we shouldn't see any crazy price hikes due to tariffs. Second, we saw strong earnings from mega tech companies like Amazon and Apple, which highlighted robust growth. As these guys are such big players in the indices, it definitely brought the market up and was a huge help overall. And third, we saw a continued AI infrastructure build out, which has been fueling consumer optimism and opening up opportunities in cutting edge fields. Now, there were some things to pay attention to, so let's go into the top three things that kind of were headwinds against the market's performance. First, the recently ended government shutdown created a bit of uncertainty by delaying key economic data such as the October jobs report, inflation figures, and retail sales numbers. Second, the consumer sentiment index was also bearish last week, added caution amid shutdown-related worries over delayed services, job impacts, and household budgets. And finally, while some tech stocks have been doing great, others have nudged some sectors lower amid concerns over high valuations as stock prices have continued to rise. Investors continue to evaluate if specific tech companies are overvalued compared to their actual earnings or fundamentals. To conclude, as someone who's also juggling work, family, life in general, here's my key takeaways for you guys for this week. The main one is the recent government shutdown created some temporary uncertainty, but it has come to an end as of yesterday, November 9th. As such, the government is funded through the 30th of January, meaning back pay for federal workers, extending programs like food assistance, and just business as usual. Even if the shutdown didn't affect you directly, it reminds us to review our emergency funds to ensure that our family's financial stability is strong during any unforeseen short-term hardships. No one thought the government was going to be shut down for 40 days. It kind of caught us all out of left field. So it's really important to remember to plan for those unforeseen circumstances and events. And whether you're a busy professional, a mom juggling career, family, and finances, or if you simply want a fresh perspective on your personal wealth strategy or perhaps your company's 401k, drop me a message. Let's chat about how our team at Nexus can help you thrive. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next week.